Good morning, students. Yes, students, as you know, our topic is division and multiplication. And today we'll discuss few questions of exercise 18 that is related with the word problems of division. Now I'm starting exercise 18. First question. Yes, students. Now you can open your books, page number 76. Yes, friends, open your books, page number 76. Your first question is 6,426 bags of cements were equally loaded in 17 trucks. 6,426 bags of cements were equally loaded on 17 trucks. How many bags were loaded in each truck? Yes, friends, we know how many bags are loaded in 17 trucks. Now we want to know how many bags were loaded in one truck. Bag loaded in 17 trucks, we know. Now we want to know how many bags were loaded in one truck. Yes, friends, in one truck we have less number of bags as comparative of 17 trucks. So students, whenever we want less value, the value which is given, and we want the less value according per your statement, then we will divide. For example, 6,426 bags are loaded in 17 trucks. Now to find how many bags were loaded in each truck, means in one truck. So to find this, students, we will divide 6,426 by 70. Clear, beta? Now arrange the statement. Number of bags loaded in 17 trucks. 17 trucks, that is 6,426. Now number of bags loaded in one truck. For this, students, 6,426 divide by 70. Clear, students? Now divide 6,426 by 70. 6,426 divided by 17. Yes, beta. In first step, now first number which we'll consider to divide is 64. And we are dividing by 17. So students, 17, 3 are 51. Yeah, 17, 1 and 7, 34 and 73. So in first step, we will divide by 3. Because 17, 4 are 68 and 68 is greater than 64. So in first step, students, we will divide by 3. 17, 3 are 51. So write here 51. Clear, beta? Now 64 minus 51. 64 minus 51. 4 minus 1, 3. And 6 minus 5, 1. And next digit is 2. Now, beta, Now the number which we divide is 132. Now divide by 17. 17 7 are 119. 17 7 are 17 7 are 119, and 17 8 are 136. But here we have 132. So we'll divide by 190, because 17 8 are 136 and 136 is greater than 132. So in next step we will divide by 7. Divide by 7, 190. Now students, 132 minus 119, 12 minus 9 is 3, and 2 minus 1, 1, and next number is 6. Next number is 6. Now 17 8 are 136. So now in next step we'll divide by 8. 136. 136 minus 136, 0. So it means number of bags loaded in one truck is 378. Yes, students, as per your statement, in 17 trucks, 6,426 bags are loaded. Now find how many bags were loaded in one truck. When we divide 6,426 by 17, then we'll get 378. It means bags loaded in one truck is 378. So your answer is 378 bags. Yes, student, this is first question of exercise 18. Now, second question. $9,240 apples were packed equally in 75 boxes. 9,240 apples were packed equally in 35 boxes. Now find how many apples were packed in each box. Yes, friends. With this statement, in 35 box, we have 9,240 apples. Now find how many apples were there in one box. Yes, friends, simple. In one box, we have less number of apples as comparative in 35 boxes. So to find how many apples were packed in one box, we will divide 9,240 by 35. Now arrange the statement as apples packed in 35 boxes. $9,240. Now apples packed in one box in one box, 9,240 divided by 35. Yes, friends, to find how many apples were there in one box, we will divide 9,240 by 35. Clear, beta? Now divide 9,240 by 35. Yes, friends. We know we don't know a table of 35. So in rough side, we will divide and check by which number we will divide. So students, first number which we consider to divide is 92. First number is 92 and we are dividing by 35. Now in rough side, 35 multiplied by 2 is 70. Now 35 multiplied by 3, 3 5 are 15, 1, 3 3 are 9 plus 1, 10. To get 105, but our number is 92. So 105 is greater than 92. So in first step, students, we will divide by 2. 75 to 2 are 70. Sorry, 35 2 are 70. So in first step, beta, we will divide by 2. 35 2 are 70. Now friends, subtract 92 minus 70. 2 minus 0, 2, and 9 minus 7. And next number is 4. Yes, friends. Now end of side. 35 multiplied by 2 is 70. 35 multiplied by 4 is 105. Now 35 multiplied by 4, 140. And 35 multiplied by 5, 175. And 35 multiplied by 6, 5 6 are 30, 210. Yes, friends, when we'll divide 35 by 6, we'll get 210. So in second step, students, we will divide by 2. 210. Now 224 minus 210, 4 minus 0 is 4, and 2 minus 1 is 1. And next number is 0. Yes, friends, we will divide 35 by 4, we'll get 140. And here our number is 140. 35 multiplied by 4 is 140. So in next step, we'll divide by 4. 35, 4 are 140. Now student, 140 minus 140, 0. So it means apples packed in one box is 264. It means 264 apples packed in one box. Dear students, this is first and second question of exercise 18. Dear students, next is third question. Yes, students, question third. $11,760 tins of fruit juice are to be packed in carton of 48 tins each. Now find how many cartons are needed. Sorry, 11,760 tins of fruit juice are to be packed in carton of 48 tins each. Now, how many cartons are needed? Now, fruit juice packed in one carton. juice pack, number of tins, packed in one carton is 48. Number of tins were packed in one curtain is 48. Now, curtains required for 11,760 tins. For this, students, 11,760 divided by 40. Yes, students, according to your statement, number of tins are packed in one curtain is 48. Now find how many curtains are required to pack 11,760 tins. Yes, friends, to pack 11,760 tins, we want more curtains. So to find the more value, we want more curtains. But in each curtain, we have 48 tins. To find how many tins required to pack 11,760 tins, we will divide 11,760 by 40. 11,760 by 48. Yes, friends. Now in rough side, we will divide 48 multiplied by 2. Multiply by 2, that is 96. And 48 multiplied by 3, 144. And the first number which we consider is 117. To divide, the first number which we are considering is 117. But 14, 3 are 144. So students, in first step, we will divide by 2. 48, 2 are 96. 96. Now 117 minus 96. 7 minus 6 is 1. 11 minus 9 is 2. And next number is 6. Yes, friends. 48, 2 are 96 and 48, 3 are 144. Now 48 multiplied by 4. 192 and 48, 5 are 4, 240. 48, 5 are 240, but our number is 216. So in second step, we will divide by 4. 48, 4 are 192. 192. Now students, 216 minus 190. 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. And 11 minus 9 is 2. And next number, 0. Next number is 0. Now 48, 5 are 240. So now we'll divide by 5. 240. Now 240 minus 240, 0. So we want 245 curtains. We want 245 cartons to pack 11,760 tins of juice. The answer is 245 cartons. Dear students, this is third question. Dear students, next is fourth question. 98 bags of wheat can be loaded in one tempo. Now, how many tempos will be needed to load 3038 such bags? Bags of wheat, bag. Fourth question is bags loaded in one tempo. Is 98. Now, number of tempos required. Number of required for 3038 bags. Number of tempos required for 3038 bags. Yes, students. 3038 divided by 98. Yes, students. Here to find the number of tempos required to load 3038 bags, we will divide 3038 by 98. 3038 divided by 98. Yes, friends. Now, in rough side, 98 divided by 2. 196. 98 multiplied by 3. 294. And 98 multiplied by 4. 392, but the first number is 303. When we divide 98 by 4, we'll get 392. So in first step, we will divide by 3. In first step, we will divide by 3. 98, 3 are 294. So divide by 3, 294. Clear, students? Now 303 minus 294, we have 9. And next number is 8. Now divide by 1. And 98 minus 98 is 0. So to load 3038 bags of wheat, we require 31 tempos. Answer is 31 students. So this is third and fourth question of exercise 18. Dear students, next is fifth question. Yes, students, fifth question of exercise 18 is Mrs. Vandana withdrew rupees 9,040 from her bank account. The cashier paid her the money in 20 rupees note denomination. Now, how many notes did she get? Yes, friends, according to your statement, Mrs. Vandana withdrew rupees 9,040 rupees from her bank account and bank cashier give him 20 rupees note. All notes are 20 rupees note. Now find how many notes did she get? Yes, friends, to find how many notes did she get, we will divide 9,040 by 20. Now arrange the statement. Money, withdraw, from bank, that is rupees 9,040. The money withdraw from bank is rupees 9,040. Each note is 20 rupees. Each note is 20 rupees. Now find number of notes. Number of, yes, friends, to find the number of notes, we'll divide 9,040 by 20. 9,040 divided by 20. Yes, beta. 22 or 40, 20 or 60, 24 are 80 and 25 are 100. So first number which we consider to divide is 90. So in first step, students, we will divide by 4. Divide by 4. 24 are 80. 24 are 80. Now 90 minus 80 is 10. And next number is 4. Now 25 are 100. Now 104 minus 100 is 4 and next number is 0. Now we'll divide by 2. 22 are 40. Now 40 minus 40 is 0. So we have, so Mrs. Vandana got 452 notes. Mrs. Vandana got 452 20 rupee note from bank cashier. So your answer is 452 notes. Clear, students? Next is question number 6. Now, students, your sixth question is, a train covers a distance of 8,928 kilometers in 24 hours. A train covers a distance of 8,928 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance does it cover in 1 hour? Yes, students. Distance covered in 24 hours is 8,928. Now find distance covered in 1 hour. Yes, students, to find distance covered in 1 hour, we will divide 8,928 by 24. Distance covered. Now arrange this statement as distance covered in 24 hours is 8,928 kilometers. Now distance covered in 1 hour. One hour is 8,928 divided by 24. Yes, friends, now 8,928 divided by 24. Now in rough side, students, divide 24 by 3, 72. 24, multiply 24 by 3 is 72. Now 24 multiplied by 4, 96. But the first number which we consider to divide is 89. And 24, 4 are 96. 96 is greater than 89. So in first step, we will divide by 3. 24, 3 are 72. 72. Clear, students? Now 89 minus 72. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 8 minus 7, 1. And next number is 2. Now we have 72. Now 24, 6 are 144. And 24, 7 are 160. So next step we will divide by 7. 168. Now 100. Next step is 172 minus 168 is 4. And next number is 8. 24, 2 are 48. So students, distance covered in 1 hour is 372 kilometers. Your answer is distance covered in 1 hour, 372 kilometers. So this is 6th question of exercise 18. So students, today your homework is complete question 1 to 6 of exercise 18.